I'll step down. Is this more realistic? This looks more realistic. Okay, we'll scratch the box.
Hey there, Central Texas. This is weekday morning meteorologist Meagan Massey.
And I am weekday evening meteorologist.
Ready in 3, 2, 1. Are you ready to go with that?
Yes,
okay.
I'm ready.
Hey, Central Texas. This is weekday morning meteorologist Meagan Massey.
And I'm weekday evening meteorologist Zach Scott.
And we are really excited to launch our new web episode. It's called What's on Your Radar?
And we're going to be breaking down all different kinds of weather.
That's
from
right.
warm, sunny days in the summertime to cool and rainy weather in the wintertime.
And the purpose of What's on Your Radar is to answer your questions. So let's say you had a question about, hey, Megan and Zach, what's a high pressure system? What are the ingredients for severe weather? We have that answer for you.
Exactly. And to start our first episode, we decided to head up to the National Weather Service in Fort Worth
and help them launch a weather balloon. We are going to talk about the history of weather balloons, how they're launched, and also why they're important for our daily forecast. So stick around. It's cool to note how far weather technology has progressed through the years. We use weather balloons now in the 20th century, but back in the 1700s, a thermometer would actually be attached to a kite, and that's how temperature would be recorded in the atmosphere. In the late 1700s, hydrogen balloons came into the picture, and eventually, scientists launched weather balloons along with more than just the thermometer. There are many reasons why the weather balloon is super important for our daily forecast, Central Texas, such as a radio sonde. It's actually connected to that weather balloon. So we launched the weather balloon in the atmosphere along with that radio sonde. Now the radio sonde is a recording device. It actually records many aspects of the atmosphere, such as temperature, dew point, how much moisture is in the atmosphere, turning of the wind, so wind direction and also wind speed. That's really important when we're talking about winter weather and also severe weather forecasting.
Like Megan just said, these really are important when it comes to forecasting winter weather and severe weather. And to help you have a little bit better picture of why, we've broken it down a little bit more for you. As this balloon continues to climb through the atmosphere, it records the dew point there in the green, which tells us the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. We also get the temperature profile in the red. The cape can tell us about the hail and the lightning potential. Wind shear is very important to know. It's the turning of the winds with height and increasing of the wind speeds with height. This information can tell us the thunderstorm type and intensity. We can determine if the environment is favorable for supercells, which are rotating thunderstorms.
So there you have it. That's your weather balloon history and also why it's important for our daily forecast on Channel 6 News. Also remember, if you have a specific weather question, just comment below this video.
Hey, one of your questions could be the topic for one of our next episodes.
That's right. And speaking of our next episode, we'll be headed to Waco for Skywarn Storm Spotter training, so stay tuned.